Okay, in this short video, I am just going to explain you the various types of pieces in it. See, if you look at the cube now, if you look at every face, they are having 9 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you look at the front side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, all the 6 sides are having 9 stickers each. So if you count the entire number of stickers in the whole cube, it will be 9 times 6, it is 54. But actually we need not solve all the 54 stickers separately, because there are 3 types of pieces. This is what I am going to explain you. So here you just look at it, you look at the center piece here. This is having only 1 sticker. So those pieces which are having only 1 sticker are called center pieces. See, one sticker here, and this is another one sticker here, only 1 sticker here, and only 1 sticker here. The downside also, it is having only 1 sticker here in the center, and similarly the last one, orange, this is also having only 1 sticker in the center. Okay, this is called center pieces. Now if you look at the corners here, you look at this piece, how many stickers are there? 1, 2, 3 stickers are there. See, those pieces which are having 3 stickers are called corner pieces. 1, 2, 3. So like that, how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners. See, you look at this, 1, 2, 3 colors. And you look at this, 1, 2, 3 colors. You look at this, 1, 2, 3 colors. And again you look at this, 1, 2, 3. 3 colors. 3 colors or 3 stickers? Okay, here again you look at 1, 2, 3. And look at here, 1, 2, 3. And again this side, 1, 2, 3. And again here, 1, 2, and this one, 3. See, all the 8 corners are having 3 stickers. Now if you look at the pieces which are between the corners, see, look here, this one, between the corners. See, this is having 2 colors, 1, 2. Like that, between all corners, there will be a piece which will be having only 2 colors. So that piece is called edge piece. So there are 12 edge pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here only 2 colors. 5, 6, 7, 8. In the down layer again between the corner, this is 9, 10, 11, and then this is 12. So 12 edge pieces are there. Now I am going to show you separately. See, you take this cube, and here I removed all the other stickers. I am having only the center stickers. You look at this, only 1 color, 1 sticker. It is in the center. Only 1 in the center. Only 1. This is in the center. And again here, only 1. It is in the center. Again, only 1 in the center. Even in the downside, it is in the center. See, the single colored piece is called center piece. There are 6 center pieces. So similarly, if you look at this one, see here, I removed all the other stickers except the corner pieces. See here, 1, 2, 3. 3 stickers are there, or 3 colors are there. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the upper layer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the down layer. See, altogether 8 corners are there. See, if you solve this one piece correctly, all the 3 colors will be solved correctly. That's what I am trying to tell you here. So center pieces are fixed. The corners, if you solve the corner, 3 colors will be solved automatically. Okay, now the last one. I removed the center piece, the stickers, and also the corner piece stickers. Now you look at the other colors, whatever is visible here. Between any 2 corners, there is another piece. This is called edge piece. How many colors are there? 1, 2. 2 colors are there. And here you look, 2 colors. Again you look here, 2 colors. Again you look here, 2 colors. Like that, how many pieces are there? On the top layer, 4 colors. And the down layer, again 1, 2, 3, 4. And again in the middle, there are another 4. So altogether 12 edge pieces are there. See, put together, see, if you count, there are 6 center pieces and then 12 corner pieces. So 8 corner pieces, and the third one, 12 edge pieces. So if you add everything together, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. So if you solve all the 26 pieces, the entire cube will be solved. See, if you count the stickers, there are 54 stickers. But if you understand what are the 3 types of pieces and how this could be solved, you need to solve only 26 pieces. I hope you understood the very basics of the 3 types of the cubes. Thank you.